To wire your top and bottom hot water sensor on a Thermia unit, simply find the codes 113 and COM and 114 and COM. 114 is the lower sensor, so 114 is the green. Push in your green connector and leave go. And we also need a COM. So the common is directly below it on the orange, 114 COM, directly below it, push in the orange connector and let go. For our top sensor is 113 directly beside it. Again, green, push in your green connector, and we also need a COM as well. Push in your orange connector, which is directly below it. Any common will do. And obviously, because they're sensors, they're not polarity, the red or the white can go into either or, it doesn't matter. So lower hot water sensor is 114 in COM, upper hot water sensor is 113 in COM.